We have bad news today. Unfortunately, we have some cruise cancellations from Carnival, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we just got a real quick short video about a cruise cancellation from Carnival Cruise Lines. So the Carnival Sunrise is going to be going into dry dock for her annual maintenance in late April of 2022. That means 4 cruises are going to be canceled, and that will be the 4 cruises between April 23rd and May 21st of 2022. Now, guests will be notified of these cancellations. They will have the opportunity to rebook their cruise on a different ship with similar accommodations, plus a $25 onboard credit, or they have the option to have their cruise fare fully refunded back to their original form of payment. So, just to let everybody know that if you have a booking on the Carnival Sunrise out of Miami during those dates, the end of April and May, definitely keep an eye on your email. It said the ship is going to go in for dry dock for her annual maintenance, and those cruises have been canceled. All right, just wanted to get that information out to you, just like I said, just in case you are booked. That way you could make other plans, other arrangements, or book other cruises. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick news video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.